Hello friends, this is Ghanshyam Vishwakarma from Pratapgarh, Uttar Pradesh, UP, and you are watching Pai Sagun YouTube channel. Today uh, I am going to explain you about what is the update going in Pi network. So we have to open Pi network. Here is the update, Pi network update, and the screen is now going to open in front of you. Let us see what is going on in the latest update. Here is the announcement. So we have to read this announcement. Now we are on the announcement, and we are going to read the announcement what is going inside the Pi network. Network announcement: Pi's open network plan. What is the network? We are pleased to announce that we intend to go open main network period of mainnet in year of 2024 if the following three conditions are maintained. Therefore, there is no specific date set. These three essential conditions depend on the collective efforts of pioneers community, developer and the core team in addition to uncontrollable external factors. Such conditions are based on Pi network long-term objective and strategy and take into consideration the feasibility of their accomplishment with the year of 2024. So friend, there are some conditions provided by community for the year 2024 goals. So see what is the goals behind us. So condition of having open network. The community is showing condition of having open network in 2024. Condition: finish number 1, finish any open network preparation work in technology, product, business and legal following the consistent strategy of Pi network. Most technical and product milestone of such preparation work are listed under different project in the V2 roadmap, also released today, escape for work in the business and legal side. The V2 roadmap are excluded some technical and product milestone due to security reason or because they relate to stealth projects that are meant to publish later. The V2 roadmap released today will be further supplemented and polished later, and the status of milestone, whether they are in history, in progress or in future pipeline, will also continuously be updated throughout the year. The work to achieve this condition will be primarily done by the core team. As of now, we are on track to fulfill condition 1. So friends, the community is deciding to work on V2 roadmap for their legal sites as well as to get closer to the mainnet. So see the condition 2. What is that? The condition to achieve the following goals in the network: KYC migration and utility creation. So friends, point number 2 is that KYC and migration and utility creation. So the core team in first condition is also ready to track the problem. Now in the second condition, the condition is consistent with the enclosed network objective from the updated roadmap chapter of Pi white paper published in December 2021, such as reaching critical mass of KYC, identify verified pioneers on the mainnet blockchain and having diverse utilities of the Pi cryptocurrency in the Pi ecosystem. Thus objects are paramount to the success of the open network and ecosystem, in line with Pi's vision to build the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer ecosystem and online experience fueled by Pi. The targeted milestone below help specify what this enclosed network goal mean in concrete terms, in concert terms for our community's request, while considering the feasibility for the community to achieve them within the year of 2024. So friends, in the white paper 2021 there is published about KYC, critical mass KYC. So community wants to achieve the goal of completing KYC in 2024. In the year 2024, the community is deciding to complete the whole KYC features in 2024, in the year of 2024. The specific target of meeting this open network condition are as follow. So what are the condition to meet open network? In short, to come open network, see the target is number 1, KYC and migration. 15 million pioneers have passed KYC, including fully and tentative KYC, and 10 million pioneers have migrated to the mainnet. Third, utility. 100 real Pi app that one are on the mainnet or on mainnet ready. Second, comply with Pi platform policies. Third, resolve a true need to bring utility to the Pi ecosystem. And four, a distinct application that is not simply an unmodified clone or the demo app or another Pi app. As a reference, the current data about the above available are 8 million KYC pioneers, include fully and tentative KYC, and 3.9 million migrated, and about 40 real Pi app that we preliminarily deemed as meeting the standards above. So friends, the community is telling that there are 8 million KYC customer, including fully KYC and as a tentative KYC person, and 3.9 million migrated tokens are been migrated, and 40 real Pi app that preliminarily deemed as meeting stands. 40 utilities have been built, which app you can be used. For example, Pi games, Pi etc. Those utilities containing the rules and regulation standards of Pi community. Such 40 apps are being built. Pi apps on the testnet fulfilling a subset of the standard above, which we can be improved, qualified during the year. This condition will be primarily driven by the decentralized effort of the community with the core team support. While the core team will continue to provide technical and product support to meet the KYC and migration goals, will require the community to mobilize itself through decentralized effort to have more pioneers join, re-engage, apply, validate and pass in the KYC process and complete their mainnet checklist to migrate. So friend, here to achieve this goal, we have to, all the community has told to all the pioneers to join and rearrange and apply, validate and pass the KYC. So to achieve this goal, the core team will also support you to come close to the KYC mainnet and migration utility. The utility goals really on community developer to build and launch Pi app following the Pi policy with the technical product, design program and mentorship support of the core team. So friends, in the second goal, second question, the community wants to complete their KYC process as well as migration process with the help of core team support and the member support. So in third condition, the absence of an unfavorable external environment which would hinder the success of open network. The third condition is that the absence of an unfavorable external environment. What is that? In short, world event affect currencies and Pi is no different. While we do not control what happens in the world, we do control our launch and will not jeopardize the community's hard work and dedication with a reckless move to open network. The timing of open network will need to incorporate these global factors that are beyond the control of the core team or the pioneers community. These factors include macroeconomic crisis, unfavorable legal or regulatory developments, industry uncertain, pandemic, wars or any number of unpredictable, uncontrollable and or unforeseeable external factors inhospitable to the launch of open mainnet network. So friend, the community is telling that if any external causes does not appear, then the launch of open main network will be as on the way. These three conditions will help determine the timing of the open network. We hope the network can achieve them in the year or of 2024 with our decentralized effort and with the absence of unfavorable, uncontrollable external factors. If such conditions are not met, then open main network may be delayed to ensure a more successful transition for all pioneers. All in one, all the decision on open network launch and its timing will be made to best serve Pi's vision, the community and the network. So friend, if all the three conditions are eligible in the favor of Pi network, then the open mainnet will be launched, otherwise it will be delayed. So we know that this announcement will be met with jubilant and excitement with the Pi community, and we hope that each pioneer takes it upon themselves to help achieve above goals. We wish that all pioneers enjoy a wonderful and end of the year holiday season and use this information to truly engage with Pi and community to work towards the Open Network 2024. So friend, the community is telling that to fulfill all the three systems, two is in our hand. Get closer and practice hard to achieve the open mainnet goal. And the third is on weather condition. If there is no war, no any pandemic year or everything, then the date of open mainnet will be closed. So below are some question. Let us discuss about the question. What is the question for this announcement? If there a guarantee that open network will happen in 2004, so friend, the question is that if is there any guarantee to open 2024 open main network will open in 2004? The community is telling that no, there is no such guarantee. However, this announcement shares the true plan and the process that the core team has for the open network move. It also shed light on more specific condition and milestone for us to achieve open network, and who and what are the primary drivers behind this condition are milestone, clear distribution of responsibility guide, productive execution. As explained above, it depends on the collective efforts of the core team, community developer and pioneers to push us through. Even if the core team and pioneer were to fulfill two of the conditions, the uncontrollable and unpredictable environment factors, that is the third condition, can still possibly force the network to stay in the enclosed network period and continue to build, adjusting the new global reality. So friend, here the community is telling that only pioneers and the core team and the developer can push matlab means that the pioneers and the developers and the community, these people work hard and they will push the open mainnet date closure. Otherwise, not the three of the system which has been discussed above, that even if two of the points had been clear, then you will be close to the new mainnet. So how can the pioneer community contribute to our progress toward open network? Next question is that how can the pioneer community contribute to our progress towards open network? So the answer is the open network move in 2024 depend on you, especially goal listed in the condition. Second, pioneer contribution are critical to both KYC mainnet migration and utilities goal. For KYC, you can first complete your KYC application and mainnet checklist. Second, validate available KYC application after you pass your KYC. And third, invite your security circle referral team as well as your collegiate friends and family or anyone to complete their KYC application and finish the mainnet checklist. For utilities, if you are a developer, first you can build a Pi app of this community of 10 of millions of pioneers from a variety of possible use case without any prior blockchain experience. If you are not a developer, then you can invite developer from your personal and professional network to create an Pi app under our developer ambassador program and received award of 1000 Pi utilities. Pi utilities are not just created but also used. Therefore, whether or not you are developer, you can support the network utility goals by using Pi apps on Pi browser. B. Sharing Pi app content to the worldwide Pi network, and even using Pi in your local business. So friend, here again the question is answer is same. You all the person, those who know about ambassador people's building people, those who build applications like WhatsApp, like another utility apps, contact them and tell them to build app for Pi. If such persons are in your under standing, then join them in Pi developer program and become an ambassador and after that you may next work you have to do, you have to share Pi links to join new persons, as well as the network, expand the network such that so that the people can come close to the Pi network. Why are the KYC and migration goal achievable by primarily dependent on the community? The overarching theoretical why are the KYC and migration goals achievable by and primarily dependent on the community? The overarching theoretical fact is that almost all pioneers are eligible to apply for KYC, and the majority of all applications can pass KYC with a short amount of time. So we are growing community of over 47 million members. This target of 15 million KYC passed and 10 million migrated should be achievable. While the core team support work for condition 2 will continue to focus resolving the corner case applications that are stuck in the KYC process, we need to recognize a network level fact that the long tail of corner cases will not be biggest driver in achieving the target number of KYCs and migration. This KYC and mainnet migration milestone in condition 2 will primarily on the community to mobilize itself through decentralized effort to have more pioneers join, apply, validate and pass in the KYC process and complete the mainnet checklist to migrate. So friend, the community is telling number of members can apply for KYC and validate and pass the KYC so that they can migrate to their checklist. What is the purpose of KYC and why is there a delay of some account? The question is that what is the purpose of KYC and why there is a delay of some account. So answer is that as communicated in the 2021 December white paper, many KYC announcements such as 1, 2, 3. The purpose of KYC is to ensure the integrity of network by preventing fake account, policy validators and bad actors from going through, while allowing honest pioneers to pass and to comply with laws such as anti-money laundering regulation by preventing sanctions accounts from passing. In making such determination of account, there will be additional security and check for on a small minority of applications that will inevitably increase their processing time and ensure fair and accurate result as much as possible. Such as accounts that need extra checks are not necessary fake account, policy violators or bad actors, but the determination of such may be more difficult than usual and thus take extra time resolving the corner case in KYC application. To allow the honest pioneers to pass and migrate will be a major focus of the core team in 2024. This will include providing information and next step for stuck application to take and informative application on rejection. again friend, the community wants to explain you that the policy which is gone stuck, it will be focused in 2024, in the year 2024, so that it can be cleared. What type of Pi app does not count as real app? For the utility goals in condition 2. In condition 2, community has mentioned about some app which is not of Pi. So let us see what is that. App that are simplified, replicable or instant or other Pi app without a meaningful distinction violate the Pi policy, do not intend to real engage users or do not bring utility to the Pi ecosystem or not counted towards the utility goal. 100 real Pi app, the criteria for what account has real Pi app will be further calibrated throughout the year. So friend, 100 of Pi application are calibrating and making eco-friendly, so that you can use these utilities. If it is not mentioned in the Pi platform, then that is not a real app. What is Open Network? On December 28, 2021, in the year December 28, 2021, Pi Network launched its mainnet blockchain in an enclosed state, meaning that the mainnet is live, but with a firewall that prevents any unwanted external connectivity. Moving to Open Network means that the firewall will be removed, allowing for any external connectivity, example to other networks, wallets and anyone who wants to connect to the Pi mainnet blockchain. API calls will not be firewalled and pioneers will be able to run their own mainnet Pi nodes and API service. Read the updated roadmap chapter on 2021 December white paper to learn more. So friend, there is a firewall between mainnet, open mainnet and mainnet. So friend, that will be remain same as the firewall is not going to remove. So you can use node, you can use your API, and you can for the detail you can read your 2021 roadmap. So friend, let's go forward. How can we know the progress toward Open Network goal in 2021? In 2024, in 2024, the core team will continually provide update network progress under condition 1 and 2 through the roadmap itself and announcement. This way, pioneers as well as the core team can check our collective progress, assess where the gap lies, and focus our efforts according to compromise the year of 2024. So friend, this is all the updates in front of you. In all the cases, 2024 year will be for to achieve all the practice in 2024 year. 2024 will be going to achieve mainnet targets. So come closer and provide your support to the community so that you can achieve the goal of open mainnet, and the community will be helpful to us to further detail. In the middle you can check your updates through the updating platform from our Pi community. So that's all friends. Now be happy, mind Pi, say Pi. Thank you very much.